Hey guys, I'm Pratik and today we're going to do a $400 gaming PC build which will be a console killer. Example, the PS4. We will be using the XFX HD 7770 GPU which is an AMD GPU costing $130. We will be using the Corsair 500 watt PSU costing $60 which will be enough for a GPU which I'll be showing just now. We'll be using an AMD FX 6300 6-core CPU, pretty good one, and for the price it is really worth it. We will be using the Gigabyte GA78 LMT S2P motherboard. You can choose any cabinet and hard drive of your choice with the rest of the money you have. This rig will suffice you well and you can play mid-range, you can do mid-range or beginner gaming with it, and you'll find no issues with it, but you still have an option to get the PS4 if you want to. But with the PC you can do a lot more other stuff like editing and other stuff, so it's not just limited to gaming. But after all, it's your choice. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos and comment if you have any query, and do like the video.